There's an imminent crash coming in the stock market and the crypto markets, and all I see is fake information online. No one is telling you guys stuff. The information online is so terrible that look at this. How cringe is this? U.S. economy is booming thanks to shoppers' pay raises and Taylor Swift. Really? Taylor Swift? And I saw another one about Beyonce Knowles because they have concerts in certain cities that's helping the economy. Are you kidding me? Is that a joke? There's no way that Taylor Swift and Byonce Knowles have anything to do in the most largest economy in the world history. It is the most ridiculous thing. And if you click on this, it talks about girl power is powering the economy. This is the level of stupidity that is out there now. The recession is not only here, it's about to get worse. There's certain legs of the recession that are going to break apart. And I'm going to show you some other data real quick. And this is what got my attention when I saw this article. China's real youth unemployment rate could actually be close to 50%, more than double the official rate. Well, guess what? So is the United States labor rate, unemployment rate. It is well over the numbers they're telling us. What they're telling us are lies because they don't want going into an election year to spook people and say, well, you know, unemployment rate's really 20% or 15%. Well, it is. And I'm going to actually show you the proof of it because the way we do the unemployment rates, we statistically show the unemployment rates are incorrect and we don't have the right data. And I'm actually going to show you evidence the recession is here. There's certain legs of this economy that are basically crumbling underneath everything, underneath this facade that has been created. It is going to create a massive buying opportunity for Bitcoin, Ethereum, on a lot of different stocks. It's not there yet. But if you guys remember around 2008, 2009, the economy just tumbled. We are going to hit that too. It's not going to be the soft landing. They're talking about soft landing. It's bullshit. I'm going to show you what's going on, the real belly, okay? Look at this. This is the U3 rate, which is the unemployment rate, which is what they show. 3.5%. This is bullshit. This is a bunch of fucking garbage, okay? Don't ever look at this rate. We don't have 3.5% unemployment. That is fucking bullshit. Only factors in unemployed who have actively sought work in the last 4 weeks. Even if you work 1 hour a week, you are considered employed. How is that someone employed? Think about that. How? It's bullshit. You go to the U6, includes some marginally attached and underemployed workers. That goes to 6.7. That's also bullshit. This is the real unemployment rate, guys. And a lot of people are not entering the workforce anymore. They just won't enter them because they're retiring. Population is getting older. All sorts of reasons. They make money in other places like OnlyFans and YouTube and all sorts of other crap that people didn't do years ago, or influencers and, you know, reality stars, all sorts of crap that you couldn't do, right? So let's look at this. Includes all unemployed, including discouraged workers. They're not even looking for work, as well as part-time workers who can't find full-time employment and those earning under $20,000. That's a lot of fucking people. Do you guys realize this is almost a quarter of the United States population? You guys realize of working population? Do you realize how high this is? This is the true picture. It's not as rosy as everything when you look up online is. Now let's get a little bit deeper. I'm going to show you guys something else. Freight recession rocks global shipping, fueling 75% plunge in container rates. You guys remember where they said the economy's fine, right? When you look up, it says recession likelihood has plummeted, even higher interest rates coming. U.S. economy is booming thanks to shoppers' pay rate. Remember that, right? Well, the data doesn't support any of this fucking garbage, this propaganda, this fake fucking propaganda that is being shoved down our throat, the lies. And this is why you need to be careful out here. It's coming, and I have proof it's coming. Because I actually used to run a very large internet company, and we used to send out, and we used to receive a lot of containers. I think our biggest year, we received almost 140 or 150 containers, and we were shipping thousands of packages a day. So we buy the cardboard boxes. You say cardboard boxes, why is that important? Well, we're going to get to it. So you can't have the price of shipping containers plummet just like that. It plummets because the demand isn't there. Why is the demand there, not there? Because the consumers aren't buying. But what are these fuckers telling you? U.S. economy is booming. Thanks to shoppers. Really? But wait a minute. Trucking firms report a sharp decline in freight volume this period with excess capacity in the system. What? How do those two work? Well, they don't, because you're being lied to. And you got to see through the lies. You got to see through the bullshit. Respondents indicate that there was a freight recession. Really? And it was more difficult to find loads. Really? But the economy is so great. Weakness in demand was primarily in consumer and industrial segments? What? But I thought the economy was booming, and I thought Taylor Swift and Byonce is saving the Americans $25 trillion economy. Oh, wait, you're trying to tell me it's not? Is that what's going on? Is that what's going on? Cardboard box sales have reached lows not seen since the Great Recession. Oh, 2009? Yeah, I remember being in 2009. I was running my internet company back then. It wasn't actually that bad for us. We actually, our sales went up about 11%, but the companies I talk to now, no one's up now. All the internet guys are down 30 to 40, some even more, 50 to 60%. So let's get into it. With Packaging Corp of America, the number 3 container board company in the US, reporting their biggest 6-month decline since 2009. You know why you decline in cardboard sales? Because you're not shipping as much shit online anymore. At least it's good for the environment, okay? So basically, freight is down, cardboard boxes is down, and the reason it's down is because the economy, what they're trying to sell everyone in this fucking bullshit lie, is complete fucking garbage. So let me tell you what's going to happen, because a lot of people are very ignorant to the fact of what is going to happen. There will be another opportunity to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, stock market, all of that. That is coming. That is coming. I just don't know when. Once interest rates get to a certain point, and they're kind of already there. If you remember 2008, around there, or 2007, the interest rates got so high, the whole housing market collapsed. The housing market is the last leg that's going to fall, and it's coming. It is coming. These other legs, which is the freight, logistics, internet sales, all these things, it's already falling apart. It's already happening. Unemployment is bullshit. They're telling us people are, getting hired, 200,000 jobs. I've already showed you it's bullshit. There's no fucking 3.5% unemployment rate. It's fucking garbage. It's a lie. Don't fall for the lies. Don't get into anything right now. Hold your cash. Be fucking terrified. Be conservative. Don't go in all these bullshit DeFi plays or bullshit cryptocurrencies, bullshit stocks. They will fucking implode. I don't know when, but they will implode. It is only a matter of time. You're going to have this great reset that will happen. The data is already there, gentlemen. The data is already here. Once the freight liners and the cardboard companies aren't shipping anything, well, we're in deep shit. The other information they're giving is fucking lies. It's just lies. So just start to understand that, and you get reports like this, but also reports of possible recession. Yeah, no shit. No shit. There's going to be a possible recession. It's coming. And that's when you want to get it. That's when you're going to see this big wick go down on everything, from the S&P to the NASDAQ to cryptocurrencies. That's where you want to be. Keep your cash ready, guys. This market ain't going anywhere. Don't FOMO in things. Don't rush into anything. We are at the precipice. We are at the beginning. All I know is this. I know a lot of companies, a lot of people, most of them are laying off people. I don't hear any of my friends or any people I deal with hiring anyone. I don't see any of it. But all you see is people getting 200 or 300,000 new jobs a year. Where is it happening? I mean, a month. Where is it happening? It's happening in hospitality, Hilton hotels. It's happening in restaurants and things like that. Fine. And there is some strength in that market. But outside of that, it's complete weakness. And it's just complete weakness. And you have the government who's hiring and healthcare that's hiring and hospitality. 3 legs. But everyone else is fucked. Okay? The government can hire people. They have the money. Okay? But everyone else is not hiring. And that is a problem, because eventually that's going to creep into all of this data. This data you're looking at isn't even the real data. They're telling us 3.5%. We already know it's fake. You can see it right here. But it's about to get much worse. Be ready, my friends. Be ready.